Hello my friends, welcome to Internet Victorian channel. Today we have a little box and little shipment with some MiniDisc Goodies. So let's take a look what we have. That's a recent purchase of me from eBay. Oh, and I'm pretty stoked. Oh wow, that's really sealed. Really happy about it. I really would like to know. Obviously have to check what condition it arrived because it's sensitive stuff, I believe. There is some little note. Let me see what it says. It's a eBay invoice. It was shipped by... Okay. Lots of stuff. There is a box. First we take a look at this box. And this is obviously not what it is. But you probably already see what it is. Just empty. Wow, lots of paper. This gentleman actually did a good job of a... Sorry, my throat is a little bit sore. And we have MD Walkman, MZ and H900 in really good condition. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. And obviously it has a lot of corrosion. If you see here, actually it doesn't look like that much of a corrosion, but it's never good. Corrosion is never good. So I bought this guy as is unit and not working for repairs because apparently it's not working, but it is in such a good condition that I couldn't resist. So I have one like this already and it's in operational, but it's kind of a little bit beat up, but this one is in pristine condition. So let me grab either power supply or battery adapter to actually give it a test, because clearly this side is not good. It's not good because it has corrosion. Alright, we'll try first this caddy loaded with the battery. Okay, it is connected. I don't remember how to... Yeah, no way. It shows the sign of life. No disc. Okay, let me get the disc. Okay, so I have like a Beastie Boy disc. Let me put it in. Oh, I don't like this noise already. It plays. It does play. Like, what's going on? But it's like close for nothing. I don't get it. Okay, so potentially the situation what we have here, the person who owned this thing, he tested it with a gumstick battery and all this stuff is corroded. That's why it was not working. And here we are. I just found a generic remote. And here it plays some music. Wow, okay, well, I mean, clearly this still has to be addressed. So this thing has to be cleaned inside, because clearly we saw a lot of corrosion. Like at least here I see corrosion. I don't know, hope it didn't get to travel too far inside. But the unit is operational with the external battery and maybe with obvious and highly likely be working with power supply. So this is a score, and obviously stay tuned for the repair video. I don't know if there is a point to actually try HMD. Yeah. Yeah, it recognized the disc. And it's playing. I don't put it loud, but just so my god, this is so awesome. I'll just shut it down. Low battery. Well, whatever, I don't care. It's probably not the best freshness, the AA cell. This is awesome, in really, really good shape. A little bit of cleaning, and it'll be like as good as new. Beautiful. I think this is like almost top of the line HMD portable. Yep. Okay. Let's just shut it down. Shut down, my friend. I think when you hold stop button, it's supposed to shut down. Whatever. You just remove the battery and it's down. Wow, this is awesome. Well, I still have to do a work on it, right? I have to fix the corrosion. That's obviously I have to fix the corrosion, but this is really good news. This thing is working. I thought it's gonna be dead and I'll be like fiddling with the lasers and stuff like that and things like that, but it is working. Okay, let's dig in further. Lots of paper, lots of packaging material gonna be removed, and then we next have this. Have a remote. Haha, remote. What's going on here? 2 AA's. I guess you know where it's going, right? If you see this kind of remote. And here we are, the unit itself. Okay, I'll remove this Lululemon's box. Oh, that's heavy, actually. Wow. Sorry, I cannot understand where is the... Okay, I got that. And we have, ta-da! MiniDisc recorder MD105FX. Hi MD. Yes, baby. This is what I was looking for a long time, and that thing was not cheap, I must tell you. This one was bought for 150 Canadian dollars. That's expensive, but I mean expensive, probably not as expensive, but I think it's a good deal, all considering. The only one problem, I'll show you one problem here. You see what I'm seeing? AC 100 volt, made in Japan. Do you know what does it mean? It means that this thing, non-polarized by the way, not gonna mate properly with this thing. I mean, you can mate them obviously, but this guy may not like it. So in order to operate this guy, I would need to have something called a transformer. I do have transformer, and is it a good time to show you what I have? Let me show you what I have. Here, what I'm talking about. So this is auto transformer, Konitag voltage regulator, made in China. It's a beast and it's freaking heavy. But I think we have a problem here. I just was about to actually use it and show you how this thing works, but I see this. Let me show you a close-up photo. I don't know how this has happened. but I certainly cannot operate it in this condition. So this gonna be another video when we repair the auto transformer. So forget about it. Ugh. So unfortunately, at this point, we cannot test this device because I don't want to risk it and burn it, for example, burn power supply. Theoretically, it's not that much difference between 110 and 100 volts, but believe me, if you pay some money for a good device, rare device, you do want to get it burned. So I probably leave this one for better times, like a test. And also we're gonna do inspection inside to see if everything nice and clean. That's gonna be another video, like test, inspection first, then test, and then play and record some mini discs. Okay guys, I think that was it for today. And there was a little package delivered for me containing some high AMD goodies. Alright. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned. Oh, this one too. Please stay tuned for more videos. Stay safe and ciao.